Welcome to the bold world of industrial design style, where urban meets comfort in the heart of your home. Originating from old factories and industrial spaces, this style celebrates raw elements, exposed infrastructure, and open-plan concepts to create a chic yet functional living space. The charm of industrial design lies in its blend of wood and metal, high ceilings, and the mix of old and new. Exposed infrastructure is a hallmark of this style, revealing the raw beauty of beams, pipes, and ducts. The interplay of wood and metal elements adds an authentic character, while open spaces contribute to a sense of urban loftiness. This design style doesn't shy away from the building's original features. Instead, it showcases the building's bones and breathes new life into historical elements. The palette is understated. Think grays, neutrals, and rustic colors. This color scheme serves as the perfect backdrop to the raw and unrefined materials that define industrial design style. Imagine the rugged allure of exposed brick walls, the cool touch of concrete floors underfoot, and the warm appeal of reclaimed wood furniture. These elements combined create a harmonious balance between the old and the new. The result is a space that feels both timeless and contemporary. Materials are unrefined and raw. Exposed brick, concrete, and reclaimed wood are staples of this style. Furniture in industrial design is about utility and style. The essence of the style lies in its ability to transform the mundane into the extraordinary. Consider the rugged elegance of a leather sofa, the raw appeal of vintage metal stools, or the warmth of reclaimed wood tables. Every piece is a nod to the industrial era, blending functionality with an aesthetic that's delightfully antiquated yet modern. The decor follows suit, embracing minimalism while adding a dash of vintage charm. Decor is minimalist with a focus on functionality and a touch of vintage charm. While lighting is a statement piece, pendant lights and floor lamps with metal finishes illuminate the space. These elements play a vital role in industrial design, setting the ambiance and highlighting the raw beauty of the interiors. Accessories like vintage signs and industrial gears add character. Embracing industrial design is about celebrating history, functionality, and style. With its raw aesthetic and open concept, it's a bold step towards a home that's uniquely you, so why not? Transform your living space. Start your journey to a more authentic, urban-inspired home today.